Today we will be talking about Bretislav pojar. Come on. Background. Bretislav was born on October 7th, 1923. He died October 12th, 2012. He was born in Sisos, Czechoslovakia, and emigrated to Canada in the mid-1960s. He returned to Czechoslovakia in the mid-2000s, where he founded an art school. He learned at AFIT after he was unable to finish his studies at art school due to Nazi occupation. He was mentored by Jira Tranaka in the mid-1940s. His influences. He was trained at AFIT during the Nazi occupation. He influenced Kihachiro Kawamoto with his work on A Midsummer Night's Dream, and the two would meet in Prague in 1963. He stayed in Czechoslovakia after it was taken over by the Russians and incorporated into the Iron Curtain, until he moved to Canada in the mid-1960s to work for the National Film Board. This is their logo. I personally find it very creepy. Style. Pojar was a master puppeteer and often worked in 3D animations like stop motion or in 2D stop motion using paper cutouts. His shorts provided a social commentary using minimal dialogue, sometimes using no wording at all. His work covered a wide range of artistic styles, as highlighted through his work shown here, and also an abstract work where he highlighted the mundanity of war. His works include To See or Not to See, which is his most successful, which was released in 1969. It was rewarded Canadian Film of the Year and the short film Golden Bear at the Berlin International Film Festival. This is a picture from it. It is 2D stop motion. It is about a pair of glasses which allow you to see things objectively instead of subjectively, thus showing you that there is a soul working within the body. This is his work, A Midsummer Night's Dream, released in 1959. He was the head animator under Tranaka, who was the director. It is again the one that inspired Kenrichi to come and speak with him. And then this is his first self-directed work, The Drop Too Much. It is a cautionary tale about a motorcyclist who goes to a bar. And that is all for today. Thank you for listening to my presentation on Bretislav pojar.